Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to talk about this Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone guys super power saving mode setting. How to enable friends, you want to enable friends, you want to use guys a super power saving mode. So how to enable and use today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So then first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable super power saving mode. So friends, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Oppo phone. So friends, scroll it and friends, click on guys your phone battery setting guys. Battery setting we will tap here. After on battery setting friends, you can see save power saving mode friends, you want to on. So friends, you can on your power saving mode, but again we want to enable super power saving. So friends, we will tap here. Friends, you can see super power saving mode is enabled. After enable friends, you can see screen will show this type of interface. So friends, you cannot use your phone. Friends, you can use only the six apps: phone, YouTube, Play Store, FM radio, file and manager. And friends, you want to add one more, you want to remove. So guys, tap here. Which app guys you want to remove guys, select first of all. Friends, I don't want to use file manager, message only message guys, I want Play Store. So I will remove it. And this app guys you want to add guys, tap here. Which app guys you want to add friends, you want to use. So guys, I want to add guys my game, and guys I want to add guys my Google file, and one more app guys. So guys, six apps guys we can use. So I will add Chrome app. So as main app guys add here, then guys you can use guys your only six apps guys, only YouTube, file, messages you can check. Friends, you can see we cannot swipe and open one more apps. So like that we can enable a super power saving mode. And friends, you want to disable. So how to disable friends, you can see right side this icon guys, left side guys, tap here, exit super power saving mode. So friends, tap here to exit. So guys, now you will exit your super power saving mode, and friends super power saving mode will disable. We can check here, scroll it, battery setting guys. Friends, you can see super power saving mode. So friends, you want to enable, you can enable and you can use. You don't want to use guys, you can exit. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.